to start by going to the main screen. We hit changeover. It tells us that we need to push the emergency stop. We hit yes, we're going to do a changeover. It tells us what to do next, which is reset e-stop. And in this step, the machine will get itself into a position that makes it easy to do the changeover. The machine is at the changeover position. The robot head is up front. The flap control is dropped and the smart track has moved to its change position. So I'm going to hit the e-stop. It's going to ask me what we're going to change to, and we're going to change to the second one. We select it. It tells me what change parts I need, which is my head, my smart track belts, and my flap control. I tell it the next step. It gives me a picture of the smart track, and it also tells me again what part I need. So I'm going to grab those and we're going to walk around to the side of the machine. Okay, to change the smart track, we open the door. You'll notice both smart tracks are on this end. There's two little doors that we open. And then inside there's two latches, one on each side. Once the latch is released, we just pull the belt out. Take the new belt, which has the corresponding change number on it. Snap it into place and slide it back. Take the second smart track, move it around to the change position, and repeat the process. Both smart tracks have the same number, so they are interchangeable. We lock it in. Smart tracks are installed. On the HMI, we're going to press next, and it tells us to remove the head. So we'll open the door. There are two clips, one in the front and one in the back. Once the head is released, slide it sideways, and we set it aside. We will press next on the HMI. It tells us to take the flap control out. We release it with the yellow lever and lift it up. We'll set it aside. We'll press next on the HMI. It tells me I need to put the new flap control in, and it gives us the part number. The flap controls, your part number is right here. Slide it in until it drops into its locating pins. Lock the handle down. Hit next again on the HMI. Now we put the head back in, and again it gives us the part number for the head. The number is located right underneath the flange. We do the snaps. Helps if you're not short. Now the tooling is in, you can close the door. Press next. Tells us we're going to do our changeover points. Now any changeover point on the machine that needs to be addressed will be flashing red, and they correspond to the yellow numbers that are mounted all over the machine. So in this case it's number 7. So we go here to number 7 and we line up this number to the value on the screen, press the button and it selects it and says it's done. You'll do that for all 22 places on the machine. When you're done, you hit next. It'll come up and say that it's done. The robot will go back to its home position and you're done. Thank you very much.